do you want to see? What?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, seeing this face, hello, my name is Cassandra, aka Cassie, okay? And yeah, thank you for clicking on this video. In case you're not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button before you finish watching this video. And for my new subscribers, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, guys, I don't even know how to react, how to behave. I wish you guys were here to see, when I saw my numbers going up, I was like elated, like, are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my god, guys. Thank you guys so much for, choosing to subscribe to my channel. I do not take it for granted. I know you may be thinking, what's she talking about? You're just on like 500 subscribers. But guys, that's a lot to me. You guys do not understand. Like, the channel is growing. Like, growing one subscriber at a time, which is unbelievable. Because guys, I have been stagnant. Like, I felt like the growth was not coming. But you know what? That's the story for another day. This video, this vlog is basically just to introduce myself to you guys, but not like a full introduction video, if you get what I mean. But it's actually for you guys to like see me, vibe with me, gel with me, and put a face to the channel, an updated face, because I do have other videos. Okay. But anyways, I did abandon this channel for a while because, like I said, the channel was not growing and it was annoying me. So I was like, you know what, no more videos. No more videos. So I just kind of like concentrated my energy and attention on my Instagram page, and that's what I was doing. But after a while I was like, will I just be putting all my hard work only on Instagram, or should I like still put it on YouTube but on shorts? And that's what I decided to do. And that is when I started seeing the growth. When you guys started discovering me, yeah. I'm so happy, but it's quite late, so I have to like try not to make too much noise. But anyways, what does that one say? Yeah, so this is kind of like my first vlog of me here, because I've promised myself to start putting out vlogs because a lot of you are subscribing. So yeah, I need to be putting out vlogs where we can like relate, you understand me better, we feel like one big happy family. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm about to do. No more abandonment of this channel. We're gonna be posting on shorts, on the main feed, whatever YouTube decides to throw our way, we're gonna be posted everywhere, every corner. It's quite late now. I think it's even around maybe 10 already, because before I started this video it was few minutes to 10, but I'm sure by now it's already 10. And I've decided to bake. I want to make chocolate chip cookies. It's actually like indulgent cookies, if that makes sense. So when you crave sweet things and all of that, yes, I want to have something sweet for my craving period. Okay, so it's at home. I can take one, I can take two, depending on my calorie count of the day. And I'm not on this whole restrictive weight loss journey. I'm on like eat what you want to eat kind of weight loss journey. But anyways, in subsequent videos, you guys will definitely see how well I do and all of that. Even though I did start like 3 months ago, around October or so, but in December, you guys know with the old December shenanigans, we gotta take a back seat with the old weight loss idea. And yeah, so that was what was happening. I had to like tell the weight loss to chill a bit, okay? Because I still gotta enjoy the December festivities. All right, so now it's January. I'm like, okay, Okay, can we come back to reality? And that's what we're about doing. I did start today. I started my exercise back today. Before I talk too much, okay, let's just get on to making the cookies. And yeah, this is kind of like maybe like a prolonged version because I do have like the short version on my shorts tab. If you guys check, you see I posted that in December. Okay, so yeah, it's on my shorts, is on my Instagram as well. But this one is just kind of like, chilling with me, baking with me, step by step, all of that stuff. My sister, okay, I think my sister is done with the whole kitchen stuff she was doing right now. I have the kitchen to myself and you guys, so let's get to busying and doing the baking. I put you guys down here. The kitchen is the kitchen is a mess right now, but I'll fix it up before I sleep after like the cookies are maybe baking or chilling in the freezer because I have to chill them before baking them. So whichever one in between I will tidy up the kitchen. Okay, right now I need to melt some butter. Even though I'm following this recipe that I used for my Christmas cookies, I want to make like a few, maybe just like one adjustment sharp because um the last time I felt like it was too buttery because I'm not actually using real like butter. I'm using margarine because that's what is easy to find here in Nigeria. Okay, so we mostly like most bakers use margarine except like maybe like the top notch, and then you obviously tell by their prices that their ingredients are no joke. Okay, but for like the regular schmegular bakers bakery baked goods, they use margarine right here in Nigeria. So that's what I got because the prices of butter butter I hope you guys can hear me because I don't have a mic. We're growing, we have so many things to still buy, but I believe in the use what you have to make to make your content basically. But anyways, that's not the point. So let me just do that. Need a small bowl for the microwave. So maybe should I think this would do? Okay. So okay. Okay. More, but yeah, this is how far I'm going with that. So microwave. So I want to combine all the dry ingredients in this bowl using my look at what Mary did to my sieve. How sad. I'm supposed to add in salt, but I'm not gonna do that because the margarine is a salted margarine, as you guys know. So yeah, no salt. So we're just gonna mix, 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 mix. So I think we're done with the dry ingredients. Now we're going to mix in the wet ingredients. Let me get a bowl. Our butter is ready. Good. Gonna empty it here. So that's what we're gonna do. This is brown sugar, but the recipe called for light brown sugar. Like I don't know, man. the cup I'm supposed to use to measure the brown sugar, this cup. Thank you very much. Instead, I'm going to be going with this and just, wing it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Like, are you kidding me? So I'm going by this much. Let me even to be sure. Okay. So it's like half of it, which is fine. I'm gonna point that in. I hope this thing will be too sweet though. So this for the white sugar. Yes, I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't want it to be over sweet. Like I know it's like a craving, like an indulgent cookie, but still need it to be safe at some point in some way. We still need to be able to feel good about indulging. That's what I was about to say. Yeah. And I'm just going to use the cup. Now we mix. See, it's working. It's dissolving. So I don't even tell that there's egg inside it. Like I didn't even have to do so much work. So this might be my go-to recipe, okay? Now it's time to combine everything together. Now let's add and mix in everything. Okay, so this is what we have. This is what it's looking like. Let me go bring out the chocolate from the freezer. So this is the chocolate I'm using. This is like the cheapest brand ever. Like just ready. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. Super. I was able to crush it. So I was able to break them well enough. I think this is okay. This sizes up. Okay, I think I've done my best. The next phase is to roll them up and freeze them. Okay, so guys, I'm done molding the cookies and this is what they look like. I pressed them flat a little bit more because I want them like flat and not as cakey as the last one I did. Even though I love cakey and gooey cookies, well, I'm like trying something different just to see if I can, also achieve those a bit crunchier ones because my siblings actually love those ones better. So I'm trying to like try out that variation. So I'm going to keep them in the freezer right now and then get to clearing up the kitchen. I'm done clearing up, it's time to bake the cookies. I think they've been chilling in there for like 5-10 minutes, and that's fine. Once that batch is done, I'm going to put in the next batch, and then I think the next batch is even 6 or more than 6. Anyways, I'm going to squeeze it in because everything has to finish in the next batch, and then after that we call it a night because I'm tired. And I'll probably end the vlog here because I believe this is a whole lot. Okay, for 500 plus subscribers, so I shouldn't be overwhelming you guys with long vlogs. So you guys don't run away. Do not run away, and make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. So yeah, I'll be ending this vlog tonight, and then I'll start another one because I want to make it like weekly vlogs. Okay, so stick around while we wait for our cookies to be done, and I'll be right back. Okay. I forgot, I didn't tell you guys how many minutes I left them in for. I left them in for 14 minutes. But right now the timer remaining here is 15 minutes, but we're gonna check on it. Okay, you can leave them for like 10 minutes, 12 minutes, or longer, depending on your preference. Can't speak, it's late. It's like 12 right now, guys. Last time I checked. Anyways, yeah, depending on your preference. Yeah, anyways, that's it. Should we check on this one? Ooh, look at look. The ooh. Now I'm tempted to taste it. Should I give you guys a taste test? Let me just give you guys a taste test of this one. Look at the chocolate. So melty. Ooh, look at that. Mm. This is a bit hot. It's really, really nice. It's quite late though. I should not be eating this, so because of you guys, I'm giving you guys a taste test. And if I'm being honest, it's actually worth it. Like, this is so good. Okay guys, so I'm going to end the vlog right here because 15 minutes is seeming like a really, really long time right now, and I still need to shower and then do my nighttime skincare routine because I need to wake up early and do my whole walking exercise thingy. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it's not like a very serious vlog, it's just like chill, calm. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video still. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. Okay, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next vlog.